Hello and welcome to another video from How to Webmaster. Today I am reviewing this chatbot script, and I will also show you guys how to set up this chatbot. It is using the OpenAI API keys, and here's what it looks like. And over here in the settings you can choose different chatbots that's built in, and you can also customize it and build your own. So we have something like motivational speaker, psychologist, SEO expert, lawyer, doctor. So I'm just going to leave it as the motivational speaker, and you can choose different languages and the tone of voice. You can do like humorous, and this is the speech or text to speech. I'll just leave it as default, and this will give the voice to the chatbot so it can play the audio of this text right here. You can also download your CSV or a text of the chat. So let me enter in a prompt real quick. I am feeling down today. Can you tell me a motivational story and make me laugh? So let's see how this works. So here's my text, and we're waiting for the chatbot. So here it is telling me a story, a inspirational story with some humor. Okay, this is a new PHP chatbot script, and you can purchase this at CodeCanyon and Vado Marketplace. And I'll leave a link down below if you guys want to build this kind of chatbot. I will show you how to set up the chatbot. So these are the files that you download from CodeCanyon, and basically open up the zip file and then drag and drop the file right here to your desktop or folder. Let's go to the folder here, and you have a quick start guide, so let's check that out. And here is the guide. Basically, you go down here, it will show you how to get your OpenAI API key, and down here is the installation guide, and here's how to add your OpenAI API key to the script files. And first you need to go to this link right here to encrypt your OpenAI key. So here's what it looks like. So enter in your OpenAI API key, and then enter in your purchase code from CodeCanyon and Vado Marketplace, and then click on encrypt, and you will get this encrypted key. So you can copy and paste this into the script file, and let's scroll down a little bit. Here's how to add your OpenAI key to these different chatbot models. Go back to your script files. So this chatbot comes with a few different models. Adding the code or adding your OpenAI key is the same for all of them basically. So let me go and add my API key to this one, the ChatGPT 3.5. Click on that. Go to the JS folder. So let me enlarge that. The JavaScript folder right here, the JS folder. And then right click and open up in Notepad right here. Alright, here's what the code files look like, and don't worry, you don't have to mess around with any of these codes. Just add in your encrypted OpenAI key right here, and then enter in your purchase key right here. So basically copy and paste. So here's my example purchase code. Let's copy that and paste it here, and then copy this encrypted key and then paste it here. Make sure it is in between the two quotes right here. paste, and there it is. And make sure to save this file. Now let's go back to the file right here and load up the index HTML. And right out of the box, it includes everything. It works right away. So go ahead and type in a message and see if your OpenAI API key works and everything. Alright, just inspire me today, and let's see if that's working. Since the default is the motivational speaker, and here you can see it responded, so that means it works. And all you have to do now is upload your files, so pretty much everything here, into your web server, your cPanel or whatever, FTP. So what I like to do is, let's zip this right here, add it to a zip file, and I'm going to upload this zip file. And you can do this multiple ways, like I said, FTP or whatever you want, but I'm just going to upload this zip file to my cPanel file manager. So here I am inside of my cPanel hosting account. Go to your file manager right here, and then navigate to where you want to upload your new chatbot. So I will upload here to my test folder, and then simply click on upload, and you can drag and drop the file or click here to select your file. I'm just going to drag and drop right here, and there it is, upload it. Let's go back, and now I will extract, and now reload, and you can see all the files are here. So go to your browser and go to your website. So my site is howtowebmaster.com, and it's inside of my test folder. So just like this, enter in your website and your folder. So here it is, loaded on my website. And I'm going to do just a quick test. Let's select digital marketing, and let's do a quick prompt. Teach me how to increase my small business website traffic. And here it is. Give me quite a few tips here. So that's how it works, how the chatbot works, and it's very easy to set up. And you repeat, add in your OpenAI key to these other models if you want, and make sure to refer to the guide right here that comes with this script. It shows you how to customize. So like right here, motivational speaker, you can set it up and add in your own chatbots for pretty much anything you want. So everything is here. It's very simple to use and customize. I highly recommend it. I'll leave a link down below for you guys to check out the demo. And here's the example with the AI image generation that comes with this script. So you can definitely try that out as well. Thanks so much for viewing. Be sure to subscribe to How to Webmaster for more reviews, tutorials, and tips.